Hello friends, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to discuss about the associative array or associative collection. So basically associative array is just a key value pair, and the value is associated with a specific key that is used to retrieve the value. The common example is your contact list, where you use the name to look up the phone number, where name is the key and phone number is the value. And now we are going to do the tutorial on TreeMap, the Java TreeMap. So what is a Java TreeMap? A Java TreeMap implements the map interface by using a tree. It provides an efficient means of storing key value pair in ascending order, and it contains only unique element, and it cannot have null key, but it can have multiple null values. It's like same as hash map, instead it maintain ascending order. So now let's do a demo on TreeMap. Let me first import the TreeMap. Import java.util.treemap and defining the public class. Now the static method, the main method. So now we have defined our main method. Now we will initialize and declare the tree map object. Tree map. Now after tree map, the angular bracket start, and within that angular bracket we will have to define the integer type, the data type, not the integer type, the data type. There is nothing called integer type. So we'll store the key as an integer and value as a string. So it is going to be a roll number and the name relationship. The key is going to be roll number and the name is going to be the name of that person associated with that roll number. Like in your university or schools, you have a roll number which is only unique to you only. Okay, the value can be same repeated, but your roll number or enrollment number is unique. So first is integer and second is string, and now the names is equals to new tree map, again integer string. Let me a little decrease the font size. Now it's better and the code can fit into it. Now the empty constructor. Now we have defined the name object, the tree map object. Now we just need to put some sample value in it, and for that we will use the put method. First we define the key here, and then the value. Okay, because the key is an integer, so we will need not to write it within this double quotes. So enrollment number 101, name is Kate. Names dot put 102, name is John. Names dot put enrollment 103 and name is Roman. So we have 3 entries in it. 3 entries. First is Kate, John and Roman. So now we will use the size function to get the size. It's very simple. We will have to use a size function and it will give us an integer value, that is the size. First we will return size and concatenated with object and then the name of the function size, so it does not take any argument. Now we will open our terminal and compile it. So it compiled without error. Now you can see the result as 3, and which is absolutely correct because we have only entered 3 values, that is 101 as Kate, 102 as John and 103 as Roman. Now we will see how to print the value. We can directly put the name of the object, and we can also get the specific name, specific value with the help of that key. Like now we'll write this directly. We will have directly written the name of the object, that is names, and it will give us the complete result of the values stored in the object. You can see 3 values. So 101 is Kate. Here you can see 101 Kate, 102 as John, and here you can see 102 John, and 103 as Roman, and here you can also see 103 as Roman. So now you can see it, we have get the values that were stored in the names TreeMap object. Now as it contains unique keys, let me just put repeat the key again so that it does not remain unique. So I have repeated the key 101. Now we will compile it and see. So you can see it has no effect, no error, but the value doesn't show in the in this on the console because the key is repeated, but the value is updated. You can see. So if you put any entry with the repeated key, it will just update the value. So you can also use this as an update function, but you need to know where you need to update. If you just update it anywhere, then it will give us an error. So now we will see how to get the value with the key. So we will get the value of the first Kate. We will just use the name dot and the get function and the key 101. Now we'll open the terminal. You can see 101 as Kate. You can also use a loop for it and print the 3 values 101, 102, 103 if you knew the roll numbers, like this. For int I is equals to 101, to I should be with the 104, and I plus plus. You can use it as you can write I here. Now we'll run it, and you can see the 3 values printed on this console screen. So this is how you can use the loop. If the roll number are in a specific sequence, then only we can use a loop. Now we will see how to remove the object from this tree map. Let me just unreveal this, uncomment this. Now we will remove an object here with the help of remove function, and the remove will take the key names dot remove the key as 102. So now it will remove this entry 102 name John, and again we will see this difference in the size. So before removing we should get the size as 103, and after removing we should get the size as 2. So you can see the difference. Here we have removed one name, one value, one entry, and before removing it has a size 3. We can also do this thing like printing the names and again copying it here. Now we will see that the correct entry has been removed or not. You can see size 3, and entries are 101 Kate, 102 John and 103 Roman. And here you can see 101 Kate and 103 Roman. So 102 entry has been removed and size is reduced to 2. Now it contains two functions. First is contains key and another is contains value. So we will look at them one by one. First we'll look at the contain key. So this contain key function is a boolean function. It will return a true value or a false. It checks the key if it exists in the tree map. If it exists, it will return true, else it will return false. Now if we check the key value like 102, if names dot contains key, let me capital it. Now this is the function contains key 102 system dot out dot print ln 102 key exists, else 102 key does not exist. Does not exist. Now we'll see this function. As the tree map contain the 102 value, so we should hopefully see this line 102 key exists printed the console screen. So you can see 102 key exists, and that's absolutely correct. Now we will remove it. So you can see now on the another message 102 key does not exist because we have already removed it, and this function comes very handy. This contains dot key. Just imagine if you want to remove a value which has already been removed by another person or another user in a big set of program. So this contain key first checks if this value exists, then it will only remove it. Now here we will write the value remove names dot remove. So it will remove the key 102. First it checks if the value exists, then it will remove it, and then it will print message 102 key has been removed. Now this is the correct way, first to check and then remove it, and if it doesn't contain, then it will return this message 102 key does not exist. Now let me run it again. I can see 102 key has been removed. Okay, and like this is like that, there is same function called contains value. It generally checks the value, and if the value exists, it will return true, and otherwise it will return false, like value Kate. Exists, and here does not exist. It will check if the tree map contain the value Kate, and we hopefully see the exist message. So you can see the exist message because the key is already there, we haven't removed it. Now if we just remove it using the function names dot remove, and with the key 102, not 102, 101, now we should see another message. Can see another message does not exist because this value has been removed with the help of this remove function. Now these are the common functions. Now the one more function is put all. It is used to copy all the mapping from the specified map to this map. So let me remove this code from here. Now let me make one more TreeMap object and name it something different, like DUP. DUP here refers to duplicate mapping. Now if you want to copy all the mapping, all the key and value pair to this, we will simply use the function put all and pass the value, its name. We will use dup the tree map which is empty where we want to copy dot put all and the name of the tree map names. Now we will print the dup tree map, dup tree map, dup dup. So you can see the dup tree map contains the value which is there in the names tree map. 101 Kate, 102 John, and 103 as Roman. So I hope you all understand the concept of tree map successfully. And if you still have any query left, then please comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also hit the bell icon to get notification of my videos, and you can watch my latest videos. Thank you and have a nice day.